Hey guys, what's up? It's Mark. Stay tuned to the end of this video for some more crazy footage. What's up, guys? It's Mark. How you guys doing? You're actually joining me in a in cab, and we're actually starting the video now. Different approach, I guess. How you guys doing? What's up? It's Mark. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're still here, thanks for watching. Let's check out this truck. Guys, let me tell you first off and foremost, it is humid and hot. Haven't seen you in a while. I'm sorry. These are the videos that are coming. We got that one coming up here in a second also. We're doing a 2-for-1 today. You probably get that one tomorrow though. But first we're gonna start with this one. Guys, check this out. This is a 2007 Ford F-350 6.0 liter turbo diesel Power Stroke. It's an XL, single cab, long bed, and she's leveled. As you see, she's got a full exhaust system with a stack, and it's got some goodies on it. Got a tuner, it's got power, it's got wheels and tires that are off of a 08 or something like that, a King Ranch. Scope it out, come here. So first off, you always want to make sure you use a bucket when it rains out after you're done driving your truck with a stack. Why? Because look at the back of this tailgate. I mean, this sucker lays soot like crazy. But anywho, it runs and drives great. It's got 2008 Lariat seats. I'll show you those. Check these out. Here, open the side door or walk around. I'll leave you here. Actually, I'll do you a favor. Stay right there. Check it out. Guys, what's up again? So it's a lot better to work with you. Hey, I got water. A lot better to work with you on this side rather than that side, the same side. These are 2000 seats out of a 2008 Ford F-350 Lariat, as well as the wheels that came off the donor truck. It's got an SCT live wire tuner and monitor, ice cold AC, 4-wheel drive, center console came out of there. This was an XL work truck, as you can see the vinyl floors. But honestly, it runs and drives great. It's comfortable as hell. The seats are great. No rips in the seats. I mean, it's a really nice truck. It really is. It's got a few imperfections here and there, maybe some dents and scratches, a little bit of hate on the rear quarter. I'll show you guys. Come on and check it out. Also the tailgate off of that same 2008, you got a little dent there. But I mean, these trucks are fun, man. They really are. They roll coal like crazy. They're fun. This is not studded. I'll tell you again, it's not studded. It does not have head studs. The one thing these trucks are famous for is the rot inside the bed rails. This truck does not have any rot. You can see clearly inside those bed rails, no rot. It's really clean. The frame's pretty clean. It does have a little bit of like, I don't even know what that is, like rot, rust. I don't know. It's crazy because the rest of the truck really isn't bad at all. You can see the body. He might have had the bumper guards on at one point. They came off, a little paint imperfection there. And you're probably want to see under the hood. So without further ado, let's pull up the hood. Oh, check out those cab lights while you're at it. And let me tell you ready for the mileage? Guys, this truck has 235,000 miles on it, but it was well maintained. We had a question about that a little while ago. How long can a truck last if it's maintained? It can last as long as you want it to last. This truck has a few goodies, like I was saying to you guys. I believe it's got a different turbo on it. So it's got a different turbo, different up pipe, aftermarket charge pipe. All the fluids have been done. And yeah, she's a beast. She really is. 6.0 liter. It's not studded, but she gets down. So hope you guys like it. This is Mark signing out. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm keeping it short this time. No, I'm not gonna go there. I'm just kidding. Hope you guys are doing great. Subscribe to the channel, share the word, pass the word around, hit the bell notification thing. I don't have to tell you what to do. You guys already know. It's almost beer 30 after I get done with that. See you guys later. Peace out. Hope you're doing great. Bye.